किसानों की उन्नति एवं आय वृद्धि। मैडम स्पीकर, हमारे मेहनती किसानों को फसल का पूरा मूल्य नहीं मिलता था। हमारी सरकार ने किसानों की आय दुगुनी करने हेतु इतिहास में पहली बार सभी 22 फसलों का न्यूनतम समर्थन मूल्य एमएसपी लागत से कम 50% अधिक निर्धारित किया। Agriculture continues to be the main driver of the rural economy. Our hardworking farmers, supported by the pro-farmer policies of our government in the past 4.5 years, have produced agriculture commodities in record quantities. Declining prices of agricultural commodities in the international market and fall in food inflation in India since the last 2 years relative to the non-food sector have, however, reduced the returns from farming. Small and fragmented landholding on account of repeated divisions has also contributed in decline in the income of the farmer family. Hence, there is a need for providing structured income support to the poor landholder farmer families in the country for procuring inputs such as seeds, fertilizers, equipment, labor, and to meet other needs. Such support will help them in avoiding indebtedness as well and falling into the clutches of money lenders. To provide an assured income support to the small and marginal farmers, छोटे और सीमांत जो किसान हैं, उनको एक प्रकार से उनकी आय में और तेज गति से बढ़े और एक समर्थन देने के हेतु प्रधानमंत्री किसान सम्मान निधि पीएम किसान नाम की एक ऐतिहासिक योजना इस सरकार ने मंजूरी की है। पीएम किसान इस योजना के तहत जो वल्नरेबल किसान हैं, जो छोटी जमीन रखते हैं, 2 हेक्टेयर तक की जिनकी जमीन है, 2 हेक्टेयर तक की जमीन को, उन सभी को सीधा उनके इनकम में सपोर्ट, डायरेक्ट इनकम सपोर्ट 6,000 रुपए प्रति वर्ष के हिसाब से देने का निर्णय सरकार ने किया है। This income support will be transferred. This income support will be transferred directly into the bank accounts of beneficiary farmers in 3 equal installments of ₹2,000 each. This program will be funded 100% by the government of India. करीब 12 करोड़ किसान परिवारों का इससे सीधा लाभ मिलेगा। ये प्रोग्राम 1 दिसंबर 2018 से ही लागू किया जाएगा और पहली किश्त 2,000 रुपए की जल्द ही सूचियां बना के उनके खाते में भेजी जाएगी। कार्यक्रम का अनुमानित खर्चा 75,000 करोड़ रुपए सालाना सरकार भरेगी। PM Kisan would not only provide assured supplemental income to the most vulnerable farmer families, but would also meet their emergent needs, especially before the harvest season. PM Kisan would pave the way for the farmers to earn and live a respectable living. I propose an outlay of rupees 75,000 crore for PM Kisan for the financial year 1920. I am also providing 20,000 crores in the revised estimates of the current year itself. पिछले 5 वर्षों में किसानों को सस्ते ऋण उपलब्ध कराने के लिए इंटरेस्ट सबवेंशन की राशि को 2 गुना कर दिया गया। किसानों का फसली कर्ज बढ़कर वर्ष 2018-19 में 11,68,000 करोड़ रुपए हो गया है। 11.68 लाख करोड़ 11,68,000 करोड़ रुपए किसानों का ऋण बढ़ गया है। सॉइल हेल्थ कार्ड्स, उत्तम क्वालिटी बीज, सिंचाई योजना और नीम कोटेड यूरिया द्वारा खाद की कमी को दूर करे किसानों की कठिनाइयों को दूर करने का प्रभावी प्रयास इस सरकार ने 5 वर्षों में किया है। Animal husbandry and fisheries sector also need considerable support. I have increased the allocation for Rashtriya Gokul Mission to 750 crores in the current year itself. I am also very happy, Madam Speaker, to announce the setting up of Rashtriya Kamdhenu Ayog to upscale sustainable genetic upgradation of cow resources and to enhance production and productivity of cows. The Ayog will also look after effective implementation of laws and welfare schemes for cows. गौ माता के सम्मान में और गौ माता के लिए इस सरकार कभी पीछे नहीं हटेगी, जो जरूरत पड़ेगी उसको प्रावधान करेगी। India is the second largest fish producing nation in the world, accounting for 6.3% of global production, registering an average annual growth of more than 7% in recent years. The sector provides livelihood to about 1.45 crore people at the primary level. To provide sustained and focused attention towards development of this sector, our government has decided to create a separate department of fisheries. In the last budget, our government announced the facility of extension of Kisan Credit Card Scheme to animal husbandry and fishery farmers. Now, I propose to provide the benefit of 2% interest subvention to the farmers pursuing the activities of animal husbandry and fisheries. 2% ब्याज की छूट इस क्षेत्र को भी दी जाती है, who avail loan through Kisan Credit Card. Further, in case of timely repayment of loan, they will also get an additional 3% interest subvention. एक प्रकार से इनको किसानों के साथ सम्मान के साथ एक ही दर्जा दिया जा रहा है. To ensure provision of easy and concessional credit and to bring all farmers under the Kisan Credit Card fold, our government has decided to initiate a comprehensive drive with a simplified application form. When natural calamities strike, farmers are generally unable to repay their crop loans. Presently, the crop loans are rescheduled for such affected farmers, and they get the benefit of interest subvention of 2% only for the first year of rescheduled loans. Our government has now decided that all farmers affected by severe natural calamities, where assistance is provided from the National Disaster Relief Fund, will be provided the benefit of interest subvention of 2% and prompt repayment incentive of 3% for the entire period of reschedulement of the loan. एक वर्ष के बदले पूरा जो समय रिशेड्यूलमेंट का है, पूरे समय उनको 2% और समय पे नए समय पे वापस देने पे 3% और यानी 5% ब्याज में उनको छूट मिलेगी.